Here's the battery charger and the hook that goes on the end of your pull pole to remove it when it's finished. Under this flap here, there's an adjustment you can push to left or right. Here's the paddle under the flap. You can adjust left or right to adjust the angle of movement. Turn her on. You've then got 30 seconds to get it into the pole. Travels much faster than my original corded robot, and you don't have a cord to get all tangled up. Parks itself by the edge of the pole, then you can just hook it out. Then to empty it, you've just got two catches here. Remove the filter, and there's all your